We're gonna break the bolt with the 17mm socket, and then we're gonna let it drain off into the pan. Got the bolt off. Now we're gonna come up here. You need your special tool. Gonna just twist this thing off. We're gonna take this guy off. Trash. All right, we're gonna take out that ring. You're gonna have one more ring right there. Trash. Should just snap right into place, same spot. Put that, all right. Got the bolt hand tightened. Now we're just gonna take our 17mm socket. Take this nice and easy. Oh yeah, yep, that's it. That's it.